As a university employee, you have choices when it comes to saving extra money for retirement. You're probably familiar with or even participate in a 403(b), but there's another savings option available to you that could offer the affordability and flexibility that you've been missing. It's called a 457(b), and it's offered through the State of Missouri Deferred Compensation Plan, also known as Deferred Comp. This unique savings option allows you to save with both before and after tax money. You may not know it, but as a university employee, you can actually contribute to and max out both your 403(b) and 457(b) savings plans in the same tax year. Over 50 years ago, the Deferred Comp Plan was established by law as an employee benefit under Section 105.910 of the Missouri Revised Statutes. Our mission is to provide a low-cost savings plan that will help hardworking Missourians achieve their financial goals. What that ultimately means for you is that our bottom line is your bottom line. We strive to be with you every step of your retirement savings journey. Even more impressive is that over 80,000 Missourians participate in the State of Missouri Deferred Compensation Plan. 80,000 is a powerful number because it gives the plan leverage to negotiate lower costs for its participants, because we know every dollar counts when you're saving for retirement. With the Deferred Comp Plan, your administration fee is only $21 per year, plus an additional 0.08% of assets. Because we service a diverse population, we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach to providing investment options. We offer a variety of different fund options to suit your age, career stage, lifestyle, and preferences. You can choose from custom target date funds, a stable income fund, or a brokerage account where you'll have access to most individual stocks and bonds and more than 13,000 mutual funds. As a participant in the Deferred Compensation Plan, you will have direct access to our dedicated education specialists with over 30 years of combined service to the plan. These representatives provide free seminars and one-on-one consultations on a wide range of retirement savings topics. Our education specialists live and work right here in the state and take pride in helping fellow Missourians achieve their savings goals. A long-term presence, a drive to provide an affordable employee benefit, a wallet-friendly approach to fees, hands-on support and education, and award-winning leadership and innovation. All of these qualities help make the State of Missouri Deferred Compensation Plan a premier savings option. Visit mo457.com to see what you've been missing or to start saving with the Deferred Comp Plan today.